Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing fantastic. I am also doing great. Today I again came back with another new video to improve my English speaking. Okay, today I want to talk about something randomly and how I did improve my English speaking. Okay, so a couple of months ago I created my YouTube channel and Facebook page to upload my English practicing videos. Before 2 months ago I wasn't speak English fluently, but I slightly do, but I cannot wait that time. Right now I am doing well to speak English in front of camera because of making videos. After creating YouTube channel, I uploaded lots of videos in my channel and Facebook page. So in this way I improved my English speaking. Okay, and it is also very important making videos for a beginner. Every teacher told that you make your confidence, you have to take making video. Okay, that's why I created YouTube channel, I upload my videos. Okay, lots of my friends told that what a change you are, because before 2 months I wasn't capable to talk in front of people. Right now I am improving, I am very much keen on to be a fluent speaker. That's why I always try to make videos. And lots of people, they cannot speak English in front of camera, but they did well in front of something. But I am also shy person. Whenever some people came in front of me, I feel shy, I couldn't talk to him. Okay, so it is very bad for me. In this video I stopped my making videos 2 times because some people came in front of me. That's why I got shy, that's why I stopped making video. So because if you want to make confident in speaking English, you have to make videos, and also you have to try to talk in everyone. You have to go outside to improve your confidence. So that's why I always try to improve my English speaking, and I also uh, talk to everyone how to improve English speaking. Okay, but yet I cannot explain myself properly, and I in English I try to explain properly in my English speaking. And I try to practice with my friend, with my older brother who are senior than me, and so that's why they always support me how I can improve my English speaking. And also they always told me that you have to practice, you have to talk with people, and you have to take presentation in your university. Sometimes I give some presentation with in front of people to improve my confidence. Okay, so in this way, lots of way to improve our spoken English. So you can practice a lot with your friend, with your family members. Okay, and so that's all, you can practice every day. Okay, I will come again in front of you to improve your my speaking English. Till then, goodbye.